Hello? Oh, there we go. Now it's working. What? Oh, yeah. What? Damn. Yeah. Ew. I have a viewer right now. That's sweet. Did not expect that. Oh, he left. Dang. I need to get some music on. Wow.
Just one day before the attempted assassination of Mr. Trump, I gave a speech last.
I keep forgetting Trump tried to get assassinated. I always forget that. I have to do this. That's great. I simply do. If you could tell me, I would very much appreciate it. Yes, teach me YouTube. I must learn YouTube.
Client to creator relationship is crucial. We all know that one person that sounds extremely boring and a little.
YouTube.
So what is remeshing and when do you use it? Well, let's say I'm sculpting and I use the snakehook brush to drag out an arm for this cat.
Why is it in light mode?
So what is remeshing and when do you use it? Well, let's say I'm
There we go. Yeah.
Well, let's say I'm sculpting and I use the snakehook brush to drag out an arm for this cat. If you look at it in edit mode, you'll see that no new geometry was created, it was just stretched out. So if I try to sculpt on this stretched geometry, it will not go well. And that is where remeshing comes. Press R for the voxel preview. You can hold Shift to have more precise control over the voxel size. Then press Ctrl R to voxel remesh. I'll turn on wireframe so you can see the result better. So this is the result. As you can see, the remeshing has also created some kind of banding. For sculpting, this is not really an issue, but let's see if we can get something that's better anyway. Let's try some options. I'll select this mesh first with Alt-Q and enable Fix Poles and Preserve Volume in the Remesh option panel. This forces the remeshing to create better topology and preserve the shape better, but it takes a little bit longer. Press R for the voxel remesh and then Ctrl R to remesh. Let's look at some different methods of remeshing in Blender. Press R for the voxel preview.
Okay. That's rotate. Um. So a voxel remesh, huh? Remesh? Voxel size? Um. Oh, it's not allowed in edit mode? Oh, no. Okay, well, I'm just needing to redo this. Viewer. Oh. Okay, that's not what I want either. Okay. Blender. How to remesh a circle. Yeah, how to fill a circle with quads.
It's a broken world. You're the only thing that puts it back together.
We're the same that way. Broken until the world ended.
I was a monster when I had to be.
I came here to find you.
Some things have to burn to bring things back.
To fill a circle with quads, select the circle, go to Edit Mode, and select Whole Circle with A. Then go Face, Grid Fill. On the left side you can change a few settings.
Grid fill? That's it? Really? You are the first one. How did you do that? How? Wait. What if I... Oh, that was wrong. What if I delete you, come here, go in a circle. What was it, fill? Grid fill. I don't see a grid fill. Fill? Ooh. That ain't right. What was it?
On the left side, circle
How
with
did you
A.
get to it?
Then go face, grid fill.
Oh, face. Okay. What if I get you back and then just do it? Face? Grid fill? That ain't right. So I guess I do have to destroy you. Delete faces, come here. Y'all. Face. Grid fill. Oh, that's so nice! That's so nice. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. Wait, so if I just... Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. I'm going to do that here too. Delete faces, you, face, grid fill. It's so nice. Look at that topology. I can't believe I'm just now finding this out. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, babe. Why? Hello, viewer. That's funny. Okay, you. So I should go here now. What color should my can be? Coca-Cola version looking? Okay. I do not remember the keybind to like do a circle to select, so I'm just doing this. You and actually wait, all of you too. And you. No, just you. Yeah. You. Okay, yeah, but like not you or you. Why are you doing that? Yeah, you. I want your color. Ooh, gotta make a new one. You, new, you. I want you to be like a gray. Yeah. And then roughness down, metallic up. That's a little too metallic. Okay, hold on. Alright, world, background, I want the color down. Okay. Okay, makes sense. I need to add a light. I add a plane first. You know what? Can't I just do a sky texture? Hold on, get out of Eevee first. GPU. I'll do 700 samples. denoise, yeah. Light paths. 4. Performance, I like about 200 size tiles. Okay. That's about all I'm gonna do to that right now. Might change it later, might not. You. Oh, I like that. So what if I just smooth you out? Smoothing is very gross. Smoothing is very gross. Whoops. You need to come up too. Not that much though. About there. Oh, I need to do you as well. Yes, I do. You. Got a gray. Roughness down, metallic up. There you go. I like that. Now just shade smooth. That is very gross looking. Yeah, I'll add some of y'all. Yeah. I'll add another one of y'all up close next to you. Yeah, and now I'll add another you up closer. Now that looks better. That looks a lot better. I do believe I like that. Okay, back out. I will just do this. Doom, or no, not that. Doom. Doom. Guess I'll have to make you longer. Yeah. You will now forever be known as Red. That's a D. To make an E. Red. New color. Blue or red? Blue or black? Blue or black. Let's try blue first. Yeah. See how that looks. Yeah. The name is red, but the letters are spelled in blue. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I need to spin you. There. But it's too far apart, though, now. How could I fix that? I guess I could do that, but then that'd look weird. I think I'll leave it the way it is. That sun is too bright. Sun elevation. Let's mess with that a little. Ooh, yeah, I like that. The red on the can needs to be different too. Red. Roughness. I'll bring you down. Yeah, there we go. Now it's looking like a can. You need to come up. About right there. Is that good? That's better. That seems like the sun's a little too dark. Let me just bring that up some. Sun elevation. That's down. That's too far up. Right there. Yeah, right there. I like that. Yeah. want the shadow to come out like that way, yeah. Oh yeah, with the sun in the background. Then I need to add another plane. Rotate along the x-axis, 90, yeah. G, I'll move you along the y. That way, scale you up some more. But now the sun's not good enough, sun rotation. Yeah, I like that. And this, I will just give it a brick. Why not? You. Yeah, you. Base color, brick texture. Color 1. Let's go like red. Yeah. Color 2. Let's go like an orange, maybe? Yeah, I like that. I like that. Offset. What does that do? Oh, that's very strange. Frequency? Oh, I should not have changed the frequency. There we go. 2. Squash. Only doing it for a few of them at a time. Mortar size. Oh, the mortar size is very finicky. Very finicky. Okay. What is that? 0.025? Okay. Mortar what? Mortar smooth. Oh. You know, that's fine. That can's about the size of a brick anyways, yeah? For you, what do I want to use for you? What do I have? Checker? Scale. Okay, bring that scale way down. Or maybe not, about there. Let's make it 12 just because I like even numbers. Color 1. What is the opposite of red and orange? It's light blue and dark blue. I kind of like that, yeah. Maybe. Roughness down. Yeah, but it's not metallic, so it's like... Yeah, I like the reflections. I love the reflections. Okay, IOR. I'll leave you the same. Okay. YouTube chat? Nobody? Nobody. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da. Okay, let's do... Oh, I forgot to turn music back on. That's what I was missing. X, Y, Z, up. Can I not? Oh, I can. Are you solidified now? Oh, yeah, you are. Okay. Okay, yeah. What if I just... You did not do what I wanted you to do. Okay, well, delete all of these faces. I'm on the knife trap. The score selection, please. Wrong thing. You. Get rid of these. This is so wonky. Redo. And then redo again. Yeah. Why am I using the lasso? How do I change that? Oh. Okay, that makes sense. I'm just gonna simply delete. Yeah. Okay, for this object, I'm going to write a cloth simulation. Sure. Like this, I'll write a cloth. Not cloth, closure. Yeah. Now back to you with the cloth. Okay, that's not what I wanted. How do I pin you? Can I even pin you? What if it's just like one of these? Yeah. At the top. What do I do? Just do that. A, and then wait, A, and then deselect. Yeah, all of y'all that did cloth simulation. Why? Okay, do I need to skip? Okay. How do I get you to stick there? Shake. to use cloth simulation in Blender. Oh, you know what? You know what? Control C. Oh, it doesn't let me go back to the photograph. Undo history. Oh no. Okay, I'll just have to redo that. Okay, I can just do this. So that's selection, cursor to for you. You send it back. Send it back. Okay. Now you work. Ooh, you work a little too well. Okay, how do I stop fabric from stretching? Physics. Tension. Compression. Position. Almost. To resist compression. It just doesn't make any sense. I feel like I'm gonna find it in here. How's that? Still not enough. Oh, that. Yeah. Turn that up. Turn you down. What I could do? Just do that. That. Scale. Why is it just being so good? Be fine. Just do that. Not this way, so that way. What? That makes absolutely no sense. Tyler, look at this. I'm trying to add this so it'll stop the cape from flying off. Why does it just suck it in like a spaghetti noodle? I don't understand. The second it touches it, it just gets sucked in. Because there's too much weight in the back and it's taking this piece right here in front and lifting it for the lip of the cane. Literally didn't even stop it. Oh, and it's still sucking it. What?
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this basic clock simulation using the Blender. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So at the end of this video guys, I will share with you one tips, so make sure you watch this video till end. So now start the tutorial. So for making this simulation, first of all I'm just going to delete this plane, then I will add the collision on this table from the physics settings, and make sure you keep these settings as a default. Then I will add the one plane here, and I'm just going to edit mode of this plane. Then I will going to subdivide this plane 50 times,
50?
something like that. And then I will keep this plane top of this table, something like that. So now I'm just going to add the cloud simulation on this plane, and from here you can apply any kind of preset. So right now I'm just using the denim preset, you can use any of them. Then you can scroll down and make sure you increase the collision quality. So right now I'm just keeping this 3, and make sure you enable this self collision as well.
Oh, self
And
collisions. That's what I didn't add. I was forgetting something. Where's that at? Collisions quality. I'll up you to 3. Self collisions. Now, what does it look like? Looks better. It's a nice frilly cape, I guess. Let me, you, subdivide again. Now let's see. Oh, that is killing my PC! Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. There we go. I like it, but now I want to add some noise into it. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Interesting and everything, but how
now when you play the animation, so here you can see we have a perfect cloud simulation. But right now here you can see our clock is looking so much low poly. So there are two ways to make this smooth. So first of all I'm just going to add a shade smooth, and second you can add this subdivision modifier pressing the Ctrl 2, so it will look more smoother.
Oh, that's how you do that? Okay. Neat. Shade smooth. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, very neat. But now how do I add a force field? Yeah?
But now here you can see when I play the animation, it will play very slowly. Here you can see, and if you want to play this animation in a real time, so for that you have to break this.
Using force field with cloth. Exactly what I needed.
Donald Trump is an
Oh,
existential threat
2.82?
to our democracy and our most fundamental freedoms.
I bet this won't work no more. Yeah, now teach me how you... I'm muting it just in case. How did you do that? What? Attraction? Is that how you're doing it? I don't need to know how to set up a cloth sim. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah. Force field. Oh, you just haven't. Really? What? How'd you do that? A? Force field. Oh, okay. Wind? What does that look like? Strength. Not very good. Flow. Okay, maybe I should just finish the video. What? Yeah, give me a second. I must finish this. How'd you do that? I should not skip so much stuff. I heard you. How'd you do that? How do you pin that? What? Really? Okay, cloth. Pin group. So neat. Okay, so that's how you do that. Interesting. Okay. Back into you. You. Data, vertex groups, add. Pinned. Assign. Now, if I go back to here, I go back to physics, and now I go down to pin. Pin group, pinned. Now, how does that work? Now, if I just completely like get rid of this cube, does it still work? Oh my god, that's so nice. I didn't need the cube. Oh, that's so nice to know. Intriguing. Okay. That's why you don't skip through videos. Yeah. Now, how do I add a force field? Okay, yeah, you, and then you go to, what'd you use? What was that? What was that? Force field. Third one, it's below wind. It's Control A, force field wind vortex. Oh, okay. Now what? Nothing. I'm missing something. You, add, I'll do it after. You do a vortex. What settings do you change? I have no clue what you just did. I have no clue what that is. Strength. Okay. You, force field, vortex. Move you to the right, behind it, yeah. 90. That's too strong. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I need to color the cape. Baby, what color should the cape be? Tia, what color is the cape? That's what black looks like. No, white looks too weird. There's black. There's a light blue. I feel like the colors mash too much. Red cape looks weird. Green, blue, red. What about a gray? I'll just go black. Black looks the nicest. I really like black, actually. Do we? Okay. Huh? Oh, yeah. Not quite. Baby. It's exactly what I did. It's cloth simulation. That's exactly what I did. What do you mean terribly? This is absolutely perfectly... This is perfectly simulated. No. Yeah, but then you can't see it from the front. There. How does that look? Yeah, from the front, you can't see shit. Like from the side, like that. Like that. Just like that. Like that? Okay, so that means I'm going to have to do something really quick. Hold on, I know what you mean. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Yeah, I'm just gonna need to take this bottom layer. Get some big old shit. Alright, there. I had to flare the base of the cape out. Yeah, the cape was a perfect rectangle. Hold on. Let the simulation take effect. I am not hand modeling physics. I'm just going to let physics do it for me. If it doesn't fuck itself up. Okay. Hold on. Go back into here. She's a pussy. How's that? It's black. It's because of the background color. Hold on. This is what it looks like rendered. It looks better from the back. All right, teenager. All right, teenager. Bro, I'm starting to wonder who's really into that crap. That doesn't make... Okay. Good, you probably don't want to. She is a drug addict, babe. Definitely not. Okay, let me go back to you. Rotate along Z. If I do that. I have a new idea for this setting. What? Sure. Okay, I've just decided to bake it. No concurrent viewers, that's fine. Why are you so mean to me? Thank you, YouTube video. You've taught me everything I need to know. Really? The vortex. Okay, I need to deactivate you for a second. And remake. Okay, delete make. Make again. I can't believe this. I shouldn't need to bake it for this many frames. I only need like 50 frames for it to fall down and then take shape. Not quite. I didn't turn off self-collisions. I'm gonna hurt myself. It's so bad. Look at it clipping through itself. Yeah, I heard you. I need to rebake again. Okay, that's fine though. I only need to bake it for like 50 frames. Bake? Oh. Oh, it's taking forever. Oh no. My computer is so hot. What did you just say? I'm on live. What about racism? They can hear. My mic is that sensitive. But they can go back and watch. I don't know who the heck would watch a 2-hour live just to find that. But there are some crazy. After I finish this, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream when I'm done finished project. Even though nobody's watching, I still care about quality. Yeah. Oh, that's so much nicer. I didn't bake it long enough. Are you kidding me? Why is it so thick? Wow! Why is it so thick? I guess. There. Please don't crash. Oh god, please don't crash. Oh, it almost crashed. Okay. Not trying that again. Not yet. Okay, I am unsubdividing. Why do I have that creased up middle? This is so jank. You know what? Just get into position. I'm going at 3 frames per second, and I have a 3050. Oh no. Whoops. GAU. Then how do I turn it into whoopsie daisy? Pause you. Back to you.
Are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this basic clock simulation using the Blender. So with now here you can see when I play the animation, it will play very slowly. Here you can see, and if you want to play this animation in a real time, so for that you have to bake this animation, and for baking this animation you have to go to the clock settings, and from here you so after bake your animation, when you play the animation, here you can see your animation in a real time. Okay, and after that you can apply the texture on it, something like that. And now when you play the animation, here you can see we have a perfect cloth simulation, and that's how you can make this cloth simulation is using the Blender. And in the starting of this video I told you I will share one tip with you. So tip is that so you can apply this cloth simulation as a shape key, and that will be save you lots of time to simulation. So how you can do this? So for that make sure you are end of this animation, something like that, and after that you can go to the modify section. From here you have to click on this little button, and in the second option you can see here you will see apply as a shape key. So after that you want to see how it look like, so you have to go to the object data property, and from here you will see your cloth simulation. So when you move your value slider, so here you can see that the cloth simulation apply as a shape key, and now we can add a keyframe on this shape key and make this animation easy. So for that I'm just pressing the I on top of this value button.
Oh. So you can't actually. What does it look like here? Not bad. Could be better. What about here? A little bit worse. Actually, not bad. Just kind of clipping in a bunch of areas. I could probably fix that, yeah. So what if I take this, Control A, all transforms, and then scale it maybe? Can't. Whoops. But I can scale this. How does that look? Well, that looks way better. Okay. Now, how do I keep the shape of it? Blender, how to save the shape of a cloth simulation. Oh, okay, it's just convert to mesh. Sweet. So now I can change the color of it, right? Yeah. Let me change you to a checker. A red, and what about like a white? Yeah. Okay, scale that down a bit to like there. Sure. No. That was good. Okay, so now out from that, I want not a cube. I don't want a cube, I want a cylinder. Make that thing just a little bit more smooth. Yeah. Come down, come up. You. From here, I'll be working here. First, I need to hide you. You. I need you to. Okay, I'll grab you. Yeah. Now extend along the Z. Yeah. Count the whole thing to come to a taper. Yeah. I like that. Now from there, I will add a cube. But I kind of want everything to branch out from. So I'll scan you down. Scale. There. Yes. Okay. You. How do I mirror? Mirror along the y-axis? So you and you. Or not you and you. I need you and you to be scaled out, so it'll mirror along the y, right? Doom, doom. Hold on, wait. All transforms. What? Yeah.
Wow, I just built the most amazing workflow on Monday.com.
You build your own workflow? Why?
What's up, guys? Justin here with the CGEssentials.com. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something that's very important, which is using the mirror modifier to work on symmetrical 3D shapes. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. Okay, so remember that in general, as 3D modelers, we're usually trying to save as much time as possible. And one of the ways we can do that is by reducing the amount of rework that we have to do. So let's say I'm going to do a Shift A, and I'm going to add a mesh. Let's add a monkey. And so what I want to do is I want to bring that monkey in, rotate it 90 degrees like this. Now let's say that I wanted to work on this monkey model make some changes, right? So maybe I want to make some adjustments to the ear, maybe move it up, something like that. Doesn't really matter what you're trying to do, but let's say that we want to make that change. Well, usually on an object like this one, which is symmetrical, meaning it's the same on both sides, you're going to want to make that change on both sides. Now, you could come in here and try to do them both at the same time, make that adjustment. I mean, it's definitely possible, but for more complex movements and changes, that's not really going to be what you want to do, because you're going to be duplicating that work on both sides. And so a lot of the time what we'll do is we'll use the mirror modifier to take half of a symmetrical object and mirror it across a certain location. Okay. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into straight on view, tab into edit mode, hold Z and go into wireframe mode. I'm going to delete out all of the vertices on this side of this face, right? So we're going to take all of these, delete them out like this. Now we've got half of a monkey head, right? So we've got that monkey head in here, and what we want to do is we want to use the mirror modifier. So we're going to select this object right here, go down into our modifiers and click on mirror. And so when we do that, this basically creates a mirrored copy of that object on the other side of whatever our origin is. Now, depending on how you have this set up, this might look a little bit funky, right? So if I do this on the Z axis, it's going to create a copy that's flipped on the Z direction. So you just want to pay attention to this and make sure that you're mirroring it along the X axis. And so if it isn't mirroring properly, we'll talk about a couple ways to fix that in just a second.
Okay, now I'm going to play around with it. I don't want to go straight to that. I kind of want to learn on my own. All right, so our new modifier, U, add modifier, mirror. Okay. Now if it's mirroring along the x-axis, is that gonna... Oh, okay. Sweet. Oh, okay, that's that simple. Good to know. Okay, out. Down. Ooh, what? Why do you do that? I don't want that. You. Okay, I need to add the modifier again. Generate mirror. I don't like how you're doing that. Options, maybe? No? X? G? Why you... Oh! Okay, I'm just being stupid. Okay, good to know. Now I know. Wait, I need X and Y. So now if I do that, will it? No. Good to know, good to know. Now I know. Man, that sucks. Okay, that's fine. Screw the Y. Down. Rotate along the Y. Yeah, like that. Straight down some more. Yeah. Rotate along the Y. Get you somewhat flat. Scale you in. I like that. So now if I select you and mirror along the Y, will you do it? No, you won't. Why? Oh. Oh, that's how that works. Interesting. Okay. Come out there. I'll come down to you. It is right? Ah, barely not right. About right there. I'll rotate until you are flat. Okay, I can just do that along the x-axis. That's 90. Come down. Wait, no, yeah, y'all are flat. Okay. G, Z. Boom. Now back down until I meet up with you. You're just barely past there, so about there. Then scale you in to be about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's long. Okay. Apply. Not made all. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. All edges except for. Wow. Okay. All edges except for you, you, and you will be beveled. Control B. Out we come. I did not apply all transforms. Yay. You, all transforms. You, control bevel. Why do you just not work? Why do you simply just not work? Faces, control B. No, just simply does not work. Okay, it's going to be a very square-legged table. Okay, camera. Oh yeah, unhide you. I will need to move you back some. Like right there. Yeah, you and you both come down to about right there. A little bit up some. Right there. Yes. I had you at 17, didn't I? Okay, start from the beginning. I did not bring you down. That would be good to do right now. Why are you just not visible? Oh. Probably because it wasn't visible. That's good. Do not run it like that, wireframe. Okay, let's see how this looks. Yes? Yes. I like the way you look. You do not need to be you. You need to be 1920 by 1920. You need to be colored like brown. Yeah? Okay. Both of y'all need to be colored brown. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now why do you just not want to be brown? Okay, y'all can be two different colors. Don't bother me. Kind of like roughness all the way up, roughness all the way up. What do you look like rendered? Pretty good. Camera, you need to be brought in some. Wrong way. Why? Like right there, maybe? Then I need to snap cursor to world origin. Yeah, I need to come to Y view. Move everything up to line up with the red. Yeah. Okay. Now I need to add another plane. Scale you up, and I'll just turn you green, because why not? Green. That's kind of what it'll look like. Okay, maybe not a wave. Maybe a gradient texture? Brick texture? No. Checker texture. Yeah, just bring the scale like super way down. Yeah, like that. First color. Be green. Second color. Nah, it needs to be something better like black and white. So black. White. You are green. Black. I am kind of fine with that, but first you need to be like that. Come down some. Rotate on the X. Come down some more. Okay, maybe not that. There. Rotate along the X-axis down some, maybe? But you don't want to be looking down on your superheroes. You want to be looking up to them. Whoopsie daisy. I kind of like that. Yeah, scale that up some. No, that's just a shading. Good to know. Your roughness needs to be all the way up. IOR. Sure. Sure. Scale. I'll turn the scale up. Yeah, why not? Ooh, because it looks super janky, that's why. You go up. Rotate on the Y, on the X. Down. Up some more. We'll go to the right. So to the right. Rotate along the Z. Yeah, like right there. If I come back here, press play. Get that cloth simulator going some. Not quite. Yeah, I like the way that looks. Base color, green, but dark. Or should it be gray, like concrete? No, but then why would this table be here on concrete? Uh-oh, don't know what to do for background. Have no idea what to do for background. Okay, hear me out. I make the can fly. That will literally throw out all of the time I spent on this table. But I feel like it would make it look a little bit better. So if I just delete this camera, take the can and cloth, come back to frame 0. I'll take them both, rotate up, R to rotate on the y-axis, maybe? No, x-axis. Like that, and then back down. So it's like flying. So I can look up at it without having to worry about the sky. Maybe this might work. U, G, X, or no, Y. No, it's along the X, ain't it? A, camera, bring back on the Y. Up on the Z. Where is it? Oh, it's so far back there. Okay, G, Y. Just zoom in. Yeah, like right there. Up some. Rotate along the X. Bring her up some more. Rotate along the X again. There. Bring back on the Z. Come up just a tad. Zoom in. Flying red can. Yeah. Alright, now begin cloth simulation. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this way more powerful. U. Let's go like 50. Harder? Really? Okay, 200 it is. It is just pulling it back and forth. Okay, 100. Okay, what if I put you above it? Yeah? There we go. There's a cloth simulation if I've ever seen one. Okay, let's make it back down to like 30. What do you look like? Come all the way back. I'll accept. I will not accept. What is that? GZZ? Oh my gosh. Okay, R on the X. Okay. Okay. I like that. Picasso. Good morning. Did you have a good nap, buddy? Did you have a good nap? Yeah, you definitely moody. I love you. Okay, now I need a smoke simulation. Mesh. Cube. Yeah, up. Scale you along the X. Yeah. I shall make you smaller. And down. And back some. Unseeable. Good. This, fluid, type, flow type smoke, yeah, flow behavior, inflow. I need another thing, cube. I'm just gonna scale you up. Come back up. Come over to Y. Scale over X. Fluid, type, domain. I would like to use adaptive time steps. Yeah, okay, adaptive domain. So I will scale you along the Z. No, just the Z. Yeah. And along the Y. And I'll move you along the Y to there. Yeah. Everything encapsulated. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Now you. What happens? Oh, wait, no, I need you to automatically be taller. Z. Up. Float up. Yes. No. Excuse me. Hello. Go up. Yeah, right there. Intriguing. Domain type, gas. Yes. Resolution. Let's go 100. Timescale, 1. Yeah. Yeah. Fire? Nah. Velocity. A lot. Not working, of course. Okay, back to you. Smoke, inflow, sampling size, don't care. Initial velocity, flow source. Yeah, from the mesh. Density? No. Flow? No. Texture? No. Okay, domain. Buoyancy, velocity, heat, noise, fire, collection. Noise? No. Dissolve? No. Okay, hold on. Let me delete you. You. All transforms. Right. Not right. Object. Quick effects. Quick smoke. Okay. Domain. I want you to be adaptive domain. Yeah. I want you to scale though along the Z and go up. Does that work? I mean it does, but dissolve. Why is it so small? Do I need to make the Z even bigger? Oh, okay, I see. Yes. What about fire? Can I do fire? What does that look like? It's a deep red. I mean, it's kind of nice. Heat. Just bring that up. I don't know what that does, but intriguing. Intriguing. Can I turn on denoising for this? Performance? That's not what I wanted. Sampling. Viewport. Denoise. Oh, I can denoise. That's sweet. Okay, back to this. Physics? Yeah. How do I turn on fire? Okay, I'm gonna have to change the smoke color, ain't I? I don't. You? Do 100 instead. Now what does that look like? Oh, that's so much better. But it's not very dense. How do I turn it up the density? Buoyancy? Heat. If I just crank you to 4. Now what? Can I turn vorticity back all the way down to 0? What does that do? Okay, just creates that. What about velocity? Huh? Huh? Where's that at? Huh? Or do I have to change that on that? Surely not, right? I guess so. Okay, you. Initial velocity, Z, 7.4. What does that do? It looks better. I need more turbulence, though. Velocity. I don't want you at 4, though. How about 2.9? What does that look like? Much better, but still not good enough. Okay, off-field weights. Heat. Just gonna crank you. Yeah? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to turn dissolve off. Okay, output. Back to you. Do I need that much sky in my photo? Probably not. So what if I just bring it in somewhere? Too much. Like that. Maybe. Maybe. Render. Okay, back to you. Film. Exposure 1, width 150. Pixel filter transparent. I don't need that. Not sampling, not viewport, not render. Lines advanced? No. Simplify motion blur. Performance, grease pencil. No, none of these. What is it? You? How do I change my focal point? Oh, it's just here. Okay, focal length 50 millimeter. No, I don't want 50 millimeter. I want like 95 millimeter. Yeah. Now come back a little. And come down a little. Already looks better. Okay. Depth of field. I'll turn you on. Okay, what if I just do like 15? Okay, I'm turning you off. What was it originally? Oh no, it was like 10. Okay, f-stop. Wait, f-stop all the way. Okay, now slowly put you back in focus. You know what? I'll take it. Okay, now back to this. How do I change the color? Preview? I'll turn the preview on. Surface. None. Volume. Color. Red. Not that red. Crap. Okay, so make it like a darker smoke, maybe? Yeah. Density. Up. Okay, maybe not that dense. You're at 5 before. Sweet, good to know. Color. Drop you down again. Emission strength. Black body. Temperature. 1000. You know what? YouTube, you've been a very good help. Explosion in Blender. Yes, teach me.
At Full Sail University, you'll work with technology and spaces that empower you to build real experiences.
Hello, Full Sail.
Hello everyone and welcome to another Blender Made Easy tutorial. Today we're going to be creating an explosion.
Teach me.
The process of creating explosions in Blender is actually a lot easier than you might think. All you need is 3 things: a fast moving particle system, a smoke and fire simulation, and a basic material. And we're going to be covering all of that today. Let's get started by deleting the default cube, and then you can press Shift A and let's add in our emitter object. Let's go with an icosphere. Now before you do anything else, make sure you open up this panel right here and set the number of subdivisions up to a level of 3. There we go. Let's go into front view and delete half of these. So I'm going to go into wireframe into edit mode, and let's box select the bottom half right here, press X and delete the vertices. Then we'll move it down. This is going to be our emitter object, which emits all of the particles, which creates the shape of the explosion. Now before we create the particle system, I want to give the surface of this a bit more randomization, so let's add in a displacement modifier over here in the modifier panel. I'm going to click new on that texture, go over to the texture panel, and switch the type from image or movie over to clouds. Then you can play around with the size until you get the bumps that you want, and then from here we'll scale the entire thing down roughly to about 0.4 or 0.5 on the dimensions. With that done, we can go ahead and create the particle system. I'm going to jump over to the particle system tab, click on that plus sign to create a new one, and here we're going to change a lot of the different settings. First off, the number of particles, we're going to go up to 6,000. The start frame, we're going to go up to 10, and the end frame, we're going to go up to 15. So the particle system lasts for 5 frames. And the lifetime of the particles, I only want them to last for 5 frames as well. Next up, let's open up the velocity tab, and we want the shape to go upwards and spread out. To do this, we can set the normal amount over here to a value of 4, and then the Z direction, which is up, we're going to set that up to a value of 6. Let's restart the animation and play it to see what it looks like. So you can see here is the basic shape of our explosion. You can see it's looking pretty good, but it's not very random. They're all kind of in a straight line. So to fix that, we can set the
Didn't Blender have a quick explosion modifier? Wait a second. Does it not? I swear it did. Object, quick effects, quick explode, yeah. What? Okay, hold on, wait. I'm just going to delete you. Yeah? Then I'm going to delete the domain. There we go. Mesh. UV sphere. Come on up. Go over to the right. Wireframe. Just going to delete half of you. No. Just half of you. No. Just half of you. There you go. Delete faces. Boom. Get out of wireframe. Come back to here. You. Down some. And what did you say? Texture. Settings. New. Sure. Generated. Color. Color space. Mapping. Colors. Custom properties. It's probably number. Oh. Type clouds. Size. Depth. Okay, so none of those. None of that stuff. New. Clouds. Soft. Scale. Whatever. Whatever. Object. Quick effects. Quick explode. Number of pieces? Sure. Duration 50, start frame 1, end frame 51, hours velocity fade, yeah. What is that? That's not what I meant. That is simply not what I meant. Okay. Objects. Quick effects. Quick smoke. Explode. Alright, fine. Smoke emitter. Sure. You, domain. Just gonna scale you up to like right there. Yeah. Domain. Gas. Resolution, make it 100. Adaptive domain. Fire. I need to figure out fire. Create an explosion. Yes, this.
Concept your best design faster with Shaper 3D. Choosing between the idea.
Quick fire and smoke. Let's see this. What?
Today, not tomorrow,
What,
not
like,
next week. Today is the day. I hope you will donate.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a fire simulation in Blender in just 3 minutes. So let's get started.
Yes, teach me.
Okay, so let's start off by pressing Ctrl 5 to get a sphere as the example object. And then go to Quick Effects.
What?
And then Quick Smoke under Objects.
Yeah.
And then we can scale up the domain, which is the border of the simulation. So press S to scale. And then press G, then Z to grab it on the Z-axis. And then we can select the inflow object and go into the physics settings. And then we're going to switch to
fire and smoke. Okay, makes sense. Thank you. You. Smoke, fire, and smoke. So now what happens? What? Oh, okay. I didn't even think of that bit.
fire plus smoke, so that we get fire as well. And then in the domain object, I'm going to increase the resolution.
Okay.
If you have a strong computer, you can set it to 250. If you have a slow computer, you should probably set it to around 150. And then we need to enable noise to make the simulation a bit more interesting. And then switch to all for the type, so that we can bake it. And then is resumable, so that you can pause the baking if you want to. And then click Bake All to start the baking. And after a couple of hours, I have this simulation. So just going to save the Blender file. And then select the light source and turn it into a sun with a strength of 3. And when you switch to rendered view, you can see that we have some very basic smoke. We can go back to solid view and then switch to cycles to get some better smoke. And if you have a GPU, make sure to use it. If not, just keep using the CPU. As you can see, the smoke looks a lot better in cycles, but it's going to be a bit slower as well, of course. And then to add the flame, we first need to open a new window. So drag the top right corner of our first window and then go into the shader editor. Okay. And here we can add some additional nodes for the domain so that we get the flame. The first node that we're going to add is an add shader node. So just Shift A and add shader. And then with Shift A, and then we're going to add an attribute node, which we need for the flame. So it's very important that you change the name to flame. And then press Shift A.
Okay.
And then we're going to add an emission node. And then we're going to connect the emission node to the add shader.
Okay.
And then the factor to the strength.
Okay.
And this is how we get the flame. So let's just add some orange to the flame. As you can see, a very simple setup, and then you can also add a math node to make the flame a bit stronger. So multiply, and then increase the value.
Okay, I'm going to copy this exactly. Oh yeah, I need to add some noise. Why is it flying to the right like that? Or to the left? Noise? Yeah, I'm adding noise. Yes, computer, bake it for me. Bake it! Halfway done. Anybody watching? Okay, now what did I need? I needed an emission, a multiply, an attribute, and an add shader. Okay, I'm starting with the add shader. Color. Add shader. I'll put you there. Now I also need an emissions. Oh, I just saw it. Emission. And a multiply and attribute. Math. No, wrong one. Multiply. Attribute. And a multiply. Does that say multiply? What does that do? What does it say? Oh, it's math. Okay. It's just math 2, and then okay. Math. Add, multiply. Value to strength. Now, what was this? FAC? Yeah, FAC to value. Okay, and then emission goes to shader. Color. Be like a U.
And then you can play around with the color of the flame, the factor, to the strength. And this is how we get the flame. So let's just add some orange to the flame. As you can see, a very simple setup. And then you can also add a math node to make the flame a bit stronger. So multiply and then increase the value.
Why does that look so good and mine doesn't? What? Oh. No. Very soon. Alright, first render. Let's see what this looks like. I must kill my computer. There is no way around it. There is no way around it. I am streaming plus rendering. How hot is this? Jesus. Oh no. Bottle cap. Bottle cap. What is that black line? I didn't hide the brick wall. I made like 20 minutes into this. I didn't get rid of it. Okay, good to know. Okay. Why is it so bally? This does look kind of sick, though. Looks pretty good, but the quality is just no. Okay. Quality's at their resolution. Okay, free all. I'm taking the plunge. That's funny. So this is just not something I should stream, I guess. Okay, I guess I'm just not rendering it long enough. Why is that so epic, though? Do I have an initial velocity? I do. It's negative 1.3. Why does it just shoot out like that, though? It makes no sense. It's fine, I guess. As long as the render looks good. I guess I should add some lights down there, yeah? Maybe? Let's do an area. Bring it on up. Why is it so small? Sure. Why is it so like out of focus though? What does noise do to this? Really, I'll have to rebake it. Alright, fine. I am not playing that. I don't want to play Backrooms game. I don't want to play Backrooms game. Only if we play body cam after. The game, body cam. The one Smitty played. It's on Roblox. That body cam game. Oh, is it really? I just didn't know that. I thought it was for Xbox too. Or it might have been Paragram. I'm talking about the Roblox equivalent. It might be Paragram. No, Paragram is that paranormal game. Weird. You couldn't play anything more mentally invigorating. Well, I guess I can't say nothing. I'm making a flying soda can with a cape. I'm also trying to learn explosion, so I'm putting an explosion behind it. You just completely beat him. Try the next level. I dare you. Just try it. Just try it. I want to see what happens. You won't lose anything, will you? It's time to find out. No risk, no reward. Thought I've taught you that. Oh wow, with denoise, it's just straight up better. Huh. That's not it. How to make Blender explosions better looking. The teacher? Okay. Okay, what does this look like? Because you're over 6 times what's recommended. That's why it's so quick. That is disturbing. He's going to put his fingers through it, babe. I've been breathing into my mic this whole time. Are you kidding me? No one has told me? Yeah, but listen. No one. That's so. Oh gosh. That's so embarrassing. Tyler, stop sending me a friend request. Snapchat. I guess not. He's trying to hide from his girlfriend, okay? Oh. Supposed to make new ones to hide from your girlfriend. You talking to me or him? I've made over 50. And Dad's. I've even used David's. Yo, hey, I have a viewer. I have a viewer. Hello, viewer. Is it just you, Tyler? Oh, sweet. Okay. So I have an actual viewer. Okay, the render is just about done. Gotta wait for the denoise now. I will take it. I'm working with Blender here. Not Houdini. I'm saving it. I'm saving it. Okay. I'm trying. Oh, I have two new viewers now. What's wrong, buddy? Oh, you just want a cracker? I have 2 views right now. They won't talk. They're not typing. Yeah, no. It ain't coming through twice. I think I scared one of them off. Just like, hello, viewer.